In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a side bend with a dumbbell to work your obliques. So this is a side flexion exercise, primarily working the obliques and also the lower back. So the first thing you'll notice here is I've got the dumbbell that I'm using on a bench. This is to raise it up to make it a little bit easier when I'm done with the exercise and I want to put the dumbbell down, and when I start the exercise and when I want to pick the dumbbell up. So I'm going to pick the dumbbell up with a nice straight back. You'll again notice I'm only using one dumbbell. It's to the side of my body, and I'm going to place my feet hip width apart with my feet facing forwards. So the first thing I want you to do is you're nice and tall with the chest looking forwards, and all you're going to do is side flex. So you're going to slide that dumbbell down your outer thigh. You'll feel a stretch in the opposing side, and you're going to come back up to a neutral position. The whole movement is slow and considered, so don't rush or start doing the repetitions at a higher tempo. Nice and slow on the lowering phase, and also when you bring the weight up back to your neutral position. Once you're done with your desired repetitions, you're going to repeat that repetition range on both sides and do exactly the same on your opposing side. So you can see it side on. What you're looking to avoid is the weight coming too far forwards or too far behind your body. That's going to create rotation of the spine, and all we're looking to do is side flex and come back up. That's how to do a side flexion or side bend with a dumbbell.